Christian life showing others, especially in times of difficulty. So, ayun, some of you may have known this story that sila Dwayne, sila Michael, David Sid, na kwento ko na to way 2024, June 3, 2024 to be exact. And I'm sure marami sa inyo might relate. So, eto walang ikinig. Ayan. So, I was pursuing this girl kasi yan. Nakuha natin sila lahat. Okay. And then, and then, eventually, sabi niya nun, tinurn down niya. Sabi niya kasi nun, gusto kong i-pursue muna yung relationship ko with Jesus. Yan. So, nung time na sinabi niya yun, naghugas ako ng plato nun. Ang sabi ko,
Napaka-K-drama naman ito.
difficulty. Ayan. Now, ang unang reaction ko nun ay, wala case na. And then, at that time, unang reaction ko, bago ako mag-respond sa kanya is, nag-pray ako. And then the Lord led me to believe na, syempre, anong laban ko doon, si Lord yung inuuna niya. And that is the bright side of things. And then, ayun, parang naintindihan ko na, one, it's, kumbaga yun yung difficulty sa akin na change yung point of view ko. And then, ang coping mechanism ko actually doon, alam ni Dwayne to, 8 hours ko pinahingan yung dilim. Alam nila yan, pinahingan ko yung dilim, tapos coping mechanism. Nakasunod ako dilim yung pinapahinga ko. Pag-isip ko, chorus pa rin yung dilim na tumulog doon. And then, pero ayun, I-consulted din yung mga leaders ko, and then that changed my point of view din na there is, yung difficulty na yun is parang ginawang naging blessing din. Kasi sometimes blessings can be a curse pag minadali and when not ready. And then ayun, praise God, both kami dalawa is nag-grow in separate ways spiritually. And then ayun, kumbaga, it taught me how to look at difficulty in another point of view. Hindi lang dahil magmumukha ko, gano'n.
Last na ba yan?
Shoutout sa'yo kung nandito ka man.
Ang